Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Chasing the Sun, where we do everything RV and van life, and me and Wolfie do it full-time living. Today, I wanted you to see Wolfie real quick. She asked me to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich today. I toasted peanut butter and jelly sandwich because we both had a craving. And so I said, sure. So we're gonna do that. I got a little B-roll going on, and that's about it today. Just a cooking episode. I've had some pretty good positive feedback with the amount of uploading that I'm doing. Been trying to do better about that. As I get into the routine, I'm finally kind of into the routine. I'm leaving in a few weeks, so I'm in northern Minnesota right now, if you don't know. But anyway, thanks for tuning into the channel. We are a channel, like I said earlier, we do this full time and we teach people how to do it. It's just me and Wolfie and my 1986 Sunland Express Sunland Toyota. It's a small RV, it's 21 footer, and we do a lot of cooking. We do some fishing, showing you guys just how to live and do things on the road as a nomad. So if that's what you're looking for, please consider subscribing. As of right now, as I'm filming this, Labor Day of 2021, we're a small channel. We're growing. We grow every day. I'm very proud of that. We're going pretty good and nice and slow and steady, and yeah, we hope that you'll take that journey with us. I love helping people do this and meeting people in van life and RV life, and I'm pretty proud of the fact that we've been doing this for over a year. We have going on 150, working towards 200 videos. Never going to stop, guys, until we get to where we want to be. And yeah, that's it. So please, like I said, consider if you like learning about, or you are a van lifer, hit the subscribe button if you don't mind. That helps me and Wolfie, and like and share and all of those other things. Okay, peanut butter and jelly coming up next. Remember, guys, you have to get up every single day for the rest of your life and do one thing that gets you closer to your dreams. All right, guys, see you on the next one. Okay, so I got a craving today. Going back the meatless route, I'm going to do a toasted peanut butter and jelly sandwich. A little bit healthier. This stuff, don't let anybody lie to you, it still has carbs, but I think it's just the natural stuff. When it says sugar-free, I think it just means added sugars, but I checked the sugars on the other regular, and it was like 14. And if you don't know what orange marmalade is, you should check it out. And if you don't like orange marmalade, you probably ain't from the South. So we got real butter, any kind of decent whole grain, and then just creamy peanut butter. And I'll show you all how to put it together and toast it into some amazingly yummy deliciousness. All right, so first thing is got to make the sandwich. So I put a bunch of peanut butter, like diabetic causing, the sugars amount of peanut butter. All right, then a couple of really big dollops of jelly. Yummo. All right, match the grain, if you know what I'm saying. I got a gas stove, so I'm gonna tiny little area. That's the great thing about an RV or cooking in a van. You don't have any space. There we go. All right, so then I've got a wallop of butter. Please don't ever use margarine. I don't know what that stuff is, but it's not real food. It's not good for you. It's just fake crap. All right. See that? All right. When I was a kid in the South, I was raised Fort Rucker, Alabama, Dothan, Alabama. My dad was in the service, and I had 3 brothers and sisters. I have had 4. Later on, my mom remarried, but my mom raised us on a salary, a soldier salary, and in the 70s, we didn't have much money. That's really an understatement, but my mom did the best she could. And so one of the things we always had was peanut butter. We were always tired of it, but we always had peanut butter. And one of the ways that she kind of mixed it up for us, and it was we were able to enjoy it differently, is that she would toast it. We always had basically as much peanut butter and as much white bread as we wanted, because that's what we could get at the PX for like 5 or 10 cents. Yes, 5 or 10 cents for a peanut butter and bread. So keep that moving around. That just sounds good, you know. I'm gonna turn down my heat a little bit. Anyway, I'm always amazed at how many people have never tried this. It's truly an amazing thing. It changes the complexity of a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I mean, it just changes the dish completely. Get some more butter. Let me turn this over. Look at that. Oh. Only takes a couple minutes on these, and you can do it anywhere. If you're at a campsite, if you're you got a $1 million Class A RV, doesn't matter. Look at that thing. Is that gorgeous? Good and crispy on the outside because of the butter. And if you don't like orange marmalade or don't want to try orange marmalade, just use your regular peanut butter and jelly. And sometimes I like to use Texas toast. That's what they use in the pictures. That's why your peanut butter and jelly at home looks so much different than what they make it on TV. But anyway, all right, I'll show you what that looks like when I devour this thing. Toasted peanut butter and jelly sandwich. The ingredients were lots of peanut butter, lots of your favorite jelly, a good sort of heavy wheat bread or your favorite bread, and butter, and that's it. Okay, can you see that? That's just being fancy. My toasted peanut butter and orange marmalade sandwich. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So good. Reminds me of when I was a kid. So good. The crunchiness of the bread changes it a lot, and heated peanut butter, and sometimes when I'm catering or want to do something a little bit fancier, I'll make a simple syrup or just a little honey on the outside, or dash of powdered sugar. That changes it immensely. Kids love these, and kids of all ages. Good stuff.